I want to announce something very special here to the channel. We are actually doing a giveaway for these twin turbos. As mentioned previously, Max Speeding Rods is sponsoring the channel here to turbo a project car here on Nate Rider. However, I'm kind of stuck with so many project cars, with one being Beverly here, the Coyote swap, as well as Miley, which we are getting back from paint very, very shortly. We are actually going to visit her to see how she's doing in just a little bit. But yes, I am giving away some twin turbos, and it's very, very easy to get qualified. I actually posted this on TikTok here, which TikTok, if you have not followed me already, we're pretty popping here. I like this app, it's pretty fun. But listen to this.
Giveaway time. I'm giving away a set of twin turbos to boost your ride, and I know you want them. Max Speeding Rods wants you to boost your ride with a set of twin turbos, and it's very, very easy to win. Let me go ahead and explain. All you have to do is like this video, share it to 3 other friends, as well as go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, and then I will pick a winner and a winner. I know you want your car twin turboed. Get this done. I can't wait to give you a set of twin turbos.
So that's the video that I posted on TikTok. It's very easy. I want to sponsor your ride since I can't really put these on. So I'm doing a huge announcement. I am sponsoring your ride. In order to qualify, you must like this video, comment down below anything that you want, share the video, and then copy link. Also, in the comments, I will pin a link. It's basically my affiliate link. The more clicks we get on that, the better, and more giveaways to come, like twin turbos like this. So spam that link, click it 100 times, click as many times as you want. I really, really want to do more awesome giveaways like this, and that's all you really have to do. And also something very cool is I actually messaged Max Speeding Rods. This is the advisor that is helping me out, and she is up for a twin turbo giveaway, another one here. So if this is successful, we could give away more twin turbos, more awesome parts. I cannot wait for this. So make sure you blow up the link down below, please guys. That's the most important thing that you guys do, is that you click on the link that I will pin in the comments as well as put in the description. Spam that link. That will help me out so much for future giveaways as well as more awesome products like this. So make sure that you do all the qualifications, and good luck to you. And it does come with all the accessories like the blow off valve I've showed you previously, all of the accessories here, all the piping. It doesn't come with the intercooler, so there are some things, as well as the exhaust manifold folds, but it does come with some awesome things, and Max Speeding Rods is an awesome aftermarket parts for pretty much every single car you could get out, but it does come with these awesome accessories, and well, I hope you win it. A winner will be announced. Basically, we just have to make some videos as well as keep up with the channel, so I will definitely be making a series of the winner and to see what they did with the project car. Starts up right away. While we wait for Beverly to warm up, which is going to take about 10 minutes, I want to show you guys a sneak peek of what we have here for Miley when she comes back. My 2014 Shelby GT 500. Oh my gosh, look at that. A Formula One steering wheel spec'd out to my desire. This is a custom steering wheel with the Formula One. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to install this. We have the forged carbon fiber, which forged carbon fiber is the new wave, the new go-to for automotive carbon fiber. No more of that classic old carbon fiber weave. We have forged carbon fiber, which is just next level, as well as we have Alcantara. This fabric is imported from Italy. I cannot wait. It feels so good. I can't wait to do the installation video as well as show you guys the full results. But this steering wheel is so cool, and I can't wait to see the RPMs, the shift life. This is exactly what I need for Miley. Cannot wait to finally install this. Shout out to Dyna Performance. I'll put their discount code if you want some money off your next order. Visit Dyna Performance. They got everything carbon fiber that you need. We're here at the body shop. Beverly's finally meeting Her little sister, Miley, is almost done. They are polishing, they are prepping, they're doing everything. It's a little sneak peek, a little teaser here, but jeez, this looks so good. I cannot wait till it's finished. They need one more week, and then the review is going to be coming out. They're going to be a lot of work. It just looks so much better. I'm so happy with the wheels too. It's going to look so good with the wheels. And then over here we have the bumper, and then the front bumper is over here. All repainted. The full car is getting painted, so can't really see it now, but when it's all put together, she's going to be menacing in black. The wide body's perfect too. Nobody does this wide body more perfect than Deluxe All Body. Highly recommend here in San Diego. They got bought by Fix Auto, so now they're Fix Auto on El Cajon Boulevard in between the 805 and 15. But geez, these guys do nothing but quality work. This is no cheap paint job. This is going all out. I miss this motor. Can't wait to fire it up. Definitely needs a new E85 as well. Ooh-wee, I cannot wait to finish this. All right, enough with this. She saw a little sneak peek. You just gotta love that post-wash shine. I'm gonna do a little walk around. Jeez, she looks so good. I love a clean black car, but the only bad thing about having a black car is that you can only enjoy it for about an hour before it starts getting dirty. But she is still looking good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna switch up the styling today. I feel a little bit aggressive. So let's fill up the tire, and then I want to show you a little surprise. I need your guys' opinion on this mod. Let me know. It's also really clutch to have an air compressor to get the water out after you just did a wash. So I felt like switching things up. I felt a little bit more aggressive. A lot of you guys were mentioning about fog lights. I don't know if you guys knew I actually had fog lights, but yeah, it comes with the car. Let me know. We're going aggressive with the chin spoiler setup, hood pin lanyards, as well as the fog lights. Let me know how it is. But I really love this aggressive setup. But yeah, I just decided to throw on the fog lights, let you guys know how it is, and honestly tell me how you like it down in the comments. She does look pretty good to me, I'm not gonna lie. It has the Eleanor style. I love this car so much. This is the struggle right underneath. Nothing comes easy when it comes to owning a classic car. $30, not too bad, but it does kind of add up when you have to gas up every time you take this car out to drive. What do you guys feel about the headlights? Thank you. angle right here though. This angle is sweet. I need to adjust them more. They're a little bit not so lined up, but anyways, they still look cool nonetheless. I don't know about the fog lights, to be honest, but they still look cool. I take a car like this any day than a car like that. It's a cool car, don't get me wrong, but I just fell in love with a car like this. Look at this Dodge Viper, looking good. Nice cars out today. Nice Bentley's SUV.